Good morning. We just received the carpet today and it's so long. It's 64 square meter. So heavy. Yeah. And it came with the glues for installing and also the skirtings. Yeah, the skirtings. I think they have the same size or different sizes. Yeah, a packet has got 10 skirtings. So they started off by spreading the mat or the carpet outside so that they can easily measure and cut to the required. It is waterproof, so the top side laid on the ground and this woolen side faced up due to that. So the installation took one day and I let them install, and at the later I'll do a house tour of the house once the carpet is installed. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce Minor 7 here on YouTube, and I'm in the village. This is our newly built home in the village. Once again, and if you've not been here yet, if you're new here, kindly go back to my videos and see the house tour of the video and all the other videos I've been doing. Yeah, village vlogs with some modern touches. That is how I'm going to call it. Today, I'm here to do the house tour once again because we recently installed mkeka wa mbao, and yeah, it is installed. So I want to show you how the house turned out. It is so beautiful, so stunning, and it looks so modern, and it is so warm. So welcome and see how the house turned out. So I'm in the sitting area. I'm in the house, and you can see how the floor is. The mkeka wa mbao is already installed. The house is so warm right now because the mkeka wa mbao we installed is woolen. The under cover of the mkeka wa mbao is woolen, and on top is a waterproof. It is smooth and waterproof, so it's all over smooth. and under it's woolen, so it is so warm. So this one was installed by Floor Deco Kenya. They are the ones who delivered to, because they do sell mkeka and mbaos. I think the name mkeka and mbao, that brand name, is theirs from the beginning. So this one is the original mkeka wa mbao vinyl carpets. And they have varieties of these carpets. They have pago, the one that interlocks, and they have these ones vinyls and other varieties. So if you need mkeka wa mbao or any other kind of, you can reach them out through their socials, Floor Deco Kenya on YouTube and all the other socials. More to that, they manufacture precast shells. They are the one who manufactured these shells, and they also assemble them. So that is what they do, just assembling and assembling and manufacturing. They also sell these carpets. So I want to show you how it was installed, because the person who installed this mkeka wa mbao also is from Floor Deco Kenya. And he was so professional and skilled, because he answered all the questions that were in my head. Because sometimes I'm so curious, I wanted to see how he's going to install, because this is mkeka, this floor, this is a permanent house, and I'll be washing this floor forever. So how am I going to maintain? How are they going to fix it so I can be able to maintain the mkeka wa mbao easily in my house easily? So they did install, and they delivered the mkeka. They also delivered the skirtings and also the glue to connect the mkeka, because they cut. There are places that they cut, so they had to fix, and they have to fix. Before they installed this mkeka, first, what they did, they made sure that the floor is even. Because you had seen how the floor looked like before the mkeka wa mbao. It was just, is it cemented? Yes. But they made sure that the floor is even. If any place that had some little bumps, they went through, making the place even, and then they swept every dust or every particle. They swept it away, they cleaned, and now they installed the mkeka wa mbao. I loved that for sure. They did so well, and that worried me, because around the door, there were some bumps. When maybe the foodies were constructing, they left some bumps. So I was wondering how they're going to do that. But first, they started by making the house even. So I was so happy for that. So this is the sitting area, and I was so curious about how they are going to fix. You see now these skirtings on this wall here, they used some steel nails to fix the skirtings. But what about this place where we have tiles or where we have sink? I was just so curious on how they're going to do that. And what they did, they used a waterproof glue to fix this place here. The glue they used is a waterproof glue. So anytime I want to wash, I would wash and clean so well without water penetrating inside. Because if it penetrates, it damages the mkeka, because I told you it is woolen underground. So if water penetrates, it damages it. So they have to be very cautious, of which they were very cautious. Also, we have this place here. You see, this place, they cut that mkeka and this mkeka, and then they joined this place here. I was worried on how they are going to fix this, because maybe in future it can come out as you walk, but it is so smooth you cannot even tell that something, that the mkeka was cut into, it was two pieces. It is so smooth. I really don't know how they fixed that, but it was fixed so well. So on this side, this is the corridor that connects the first bedroom, the second bedroom, and the master bedroom. And here we have a washing machine area. And sometimes, water may spill from the machine down here. So I was worried on how they're going to fix here. And it was fixed so well. You can see how even the pipe was fixed down there. That's the washing machine pipe. And all over from corner to corner, it was fixed so well. So not only fixing, but you see now, us, when we were installing this mkeka wa mbao, we are already in with all our items in here, and they are the one to handle the items. For example, the machine, all the seats, and there were 2 of them, and they handled them very carefully, especially the washing machine, because last time when I was using there are people that were working in the house and they didn't handle it well, but these ones, they handled it very well. And I didn't do anything. They just did everything. They lifted them so well without damaging anything. So from here, we go to this first bedroom here. This is the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. It was also installed. You can see how it turned out. So beautiful, elegant, and it's so warm. It is so warm. This is the smallest bedroom actually. The one maybe you saw on the other videos. This is the smallest bedroom. And it is, you can see even under the bed, it is installed so well. So let's go to the second bedroom and then the master. So this is the second bedroom. You can see how it was installed behind the door. Under these cabinets, the skirtings are well installed. The mkeka is all well fixed in all the corners. It is well fixed and it fit so well. Then we go to the master bedroom now. So the second bedroom it is slightly bigger than the first bedroom. So let's go to the master bedroom, which is the biggest, the largest, the biggest. Yes. The master bedroom is here. It is en suite, so they installed so well all over the place. You can see these skirtings here. Yeah, that is the master bedroom. Well installed like all the other bedrooms and all the other places all over, in all corners. So another thing I loved about the installation and the delivery of this mkeka wa mbao is this mkeka wa mbao, it was 64 square meters. Yes, 64 square meters. And I was worried when they were installing, like, will it be enough? But it was enough. They had measured, and I think they added some meters because it was enough. And also the skirtings were even more, were very much enough. So they did so well. I didn't have to keep on calling that mkeka haijatosha ni nini, or the skirtings are not enough, or the glue is not enough. Everything was enough. It was well measured. I loved that too. So you can reach them out in all their social media pages. I think that's all about the mkeka. I think I've given you into detail. And if you have any questions, please ask on the comment section. I'll be ready to give you an honest reply. So about the carpet, I loved everything they have done. The house is warm. The house looks so beautiful, and it's brown in color. I'll give you the name of the one that I used. I think it's called golden oak. I'll write it here. You're going to see golden oak something and the code. So if you want keka like this one or carpet like this one, then you can reach them out. They are free to, they do deliver so fast. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for liking, for subscribing. And I'm so glad this is a journey in the process of making this house become a home, because it is just a house, but we are in the process of making it become a home. And the process is so fulfilling. Pole pole. So we are yet to do the curtains. You can see also the seats. We have a lot to do, but ni pole pole too. Slowly by slowly, we are going to make it. Stay tuned for the next video. Like this video and also subscribe to this channel. I'd be so glad to share everything in the progress of this home. Thank you so much and see you on my next